Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm here with the Year of the Rabbit Dunk Low review. This is the white, crimson, and varsity royal colorway, and I got a lot of details to show you with this sneaker. So I hope y'all will enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. And again, I'll leave the like goal at something simple. It's just trying to hit 200 likes in this video. That'd be great. And again, feel free to check out Hype Labs down below. We are restocking in 2 days on the 27th and 28th. So stay tuned for that and go check out our website. Get in the wait list if you want. We may let you in before the restock, but if you just want to wait for the restock, feel free. And again, we're going to be giving away a pair of these to a member who joins during our restock. So if you guys stay tuned for that restock, go join. You may be eligible to win a pair of these right here. So check out our Instagram, all that. It'll have all the details for this giveaway. So don't miss out. Share with your friends. And yeah, join Hype Labs during this restock and you may have a chance to win this Dunk Low. So that's all I got to say. Join the waitlist and get on that and you'll be eligible. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. And you'll only be charged if you're let into the group. Keep that in mind. The waitlist and all that's free to join. The group's the only thing that costs. So stay tuned for that giveaway and let's get started. So the first detail of this would be the Rabbit Nike box sleeve. As you guys can see, it has the Year of the Rabbit, or not the Year of the Rabbit logo, but it has that Rabbit logo and then the Nike logo right there. And the same thing on the back of the box. There's 2 Nike logos, I believe. One on the sleeve that you guys can see that might be on the box, I think. Let me check. Yeah, that's on the box actually. So both those swooshes right there on the box. Neither one of those is on the box sleeve. The only thing on the box sleeve is these details on the front right here. And of course, you kind of got this like marble design around the whole box, which I really like. And then you also got this right here, 2011 and 2023, since I believe the last Year of the Rabbit stuff was 2011, or maybe the last colorway that was exactly like this. I think this colorway is resembling an old Year of the Rabbit collaboration. So we'll remove the box sleeve so y'all can see the rest of the shoe. But yeah, very basic sleeve. You just got that and then that on it. Very simple details. You also have this logo right here. Don't forget about that, the Chinese New Year one. Or not Chinese New Year, Year of the Rabbit, excuse me. Now, another detail about this sneaker right here, you can see the unique kind of wrapping paper that you have on it as well. Again, you got that rabbit and then the Year of the Rabbit logo on the sneaker. So there's a couple details to it. But when you go look into the overall colorway of this sneaker, you guys can see there is 2 different details on the shoe. The first one would be is that you can see they have the same color swoosh here, but then they're both blue in the insides. You got these kind of different color swooshes on both parts of the sneaker, which I think is a cool little detail. But then also one of my favorite parts of the sneaker is the embroidery work that they put in on it. You can see right up here by the typical shoe tag they would have, it doesn't just say Nike. It has some unique embroidery and design, which is one of the main things I like about the shoe. It kind of stands out from your average pair. It's not your average pair, which is kind of like the nice thing about it. It's a regular Dunk Low with more than regular Dunk Low details, if that makes sense, because again, you could purchase this one for pretty much regular Dunk Low price. Right now it's between I think 170 to 190, and I believe that will rise in the future. We'll probably see these between 200, 220, maybe 220 plus. That's just my personal thoughts because this is such a unique pair that really kind of stands out from the average one. Again, that's one of the main things I want to mention. You got the Rabbit logo back here by both the heels of the sneaker. Hopefully y'all can see that, but yeah, back by both the heels. Again, you have that Rabbit logo. But when we also pass into the sole of the sneakers, or not pass into, but look into the sole of the sneakers, you also have another unique design, which is one of the main themes you'll be able to notice with the red and the blue on the sneaker from the collaboration in 2011. That's where a lot of the blue on the sneaker is from. And then 2023, you can see that's where a lot of the red on the sneaker is from. But I think these unique icy soles really help the shoe kind of stand out. It's a great addition to have. A lot of sneakers don't tend to have icy soles and people really tend to rock with something like this. So the fact that they put this exact design or icy soles into the design aspect of what's going on right now, I think that's a great idea. So yeah, I gotta give a quick shout out to Nike because they did an amazing job on a regular version of a Dunk Low. This wasn't even like some sort of special collaboration or anything. It didn't drop in like a super unique way. I do know from as of right now, we're waiting on the US release. I don't even think there is one planned. This only originally dropped in Japan from what I know as of right now. So yeah, pretty much going over that. You also have on the insole another rabbit with the Nike logo, and then the same thing on the other sneakers. So we got both those designs going on, and then also back by the heel here it just says Nike. So they didn't change up this part at all, but of course they did change it up here by the toe box. You can see again you got, or not by the toe box, but I guess up here by the tongue tag, you can see that is different. The insoles are different. The material is pretty interesting that they chose to use on the tongue tag and also on the swooshes. I'm not sure what the material is. I'll give you all a close-up look so you guys can help me kind of identify it, because I can't remember what what it exactly is off the top of my head. It's kind of like a fur material, but it's not quite that. It doesn't really seem like it would be that. So that's pretty interesting. It's kind of like a material you'd use on like a carpet or something. It's really weird. But aside from, again, that point, again, overall, it's a great Dunk Low. Nike did a great job on these. It's a very, very wearable colorway. One of the main things I want to stress about this Dunk Lows too is you shouldn't, it's not one that's hard to wear. Again, these white Dunk Low colorways tend to do really well, and this is another one that has a lot of really good design aspects to it and a lot of features that I think, a lot of people would like, and that's one of the main parts about this Dunk Low that I want to point out is that you shouldn't ignore that because there is a lot of potential behind this one, and I think you guys can definitely, benefit from a pair like this one in the collection and maybe getting a couple pairs to hold because, again, I have that price prediction right now, $170, $190, but I could easily see these being higher in price in the future. And then, of course, unique insoles on each one. You have the 2023 one right there, and then the 2011 one right here. This is such a sick detail. I'm a huge fan of this, detail on the Dunk Low. I think it kind of makes it a lot better, and overall, y'all can kind of see how it looks stacked right there. Maybe I'll make this the thumbnail. I'm not quite sure. I don't think I will, but it might be one of the photos I decide to use, in that picture. We'll kind of see how that goes on. But that's everything I really need to mention right there. Again, let me know your thoughts on the Year of the Rabbit Dunk Low White Crimson Varsity Royal. Again, another great colorway that I think a lot of people have slept on, but you guys should not ignore it because it's a very, very wearable. That's one of the main things. Like, you shouldn't stress about a colorway like this if you're gonna have to think about it too much putting it on. You're really not. It's a great addition to the colorway. It doesn't not a great addition to the colorway, great addition to the collection, but also it doesn't cost that much right now. That's one of the main things. This isn't outpriced right now. It's normally priced for a Dunk Low, but it has a lot more details than a normal Dunk Low. That's why I kind of am mentioning this one so much, because it is far from your average pair. That's one of the main things I want to mention. So yeah, I'm Tristan, and that's really everything we need to mention about the Year of the Rabbit Dunks right here. Again, stay tuned down below, and Hype Labs, people that join the cook group and everything we offer in this upcoming restock are going to be eligible for a giveaway for this pair right here. So do not sleep, and you can be entered for this pair, see everything we offer. And again, I mean, there is so many things we offer within the group. Within the first day, I can show you how to get pretty much your monthly fee back. There's so many profitable things we have within there, between sneaker flips, early info. I mean, yesterday we pinged for that Valentine's Day drop, when the checkout started, so we had a ton of people hit because, we made sure people knew when they could go on the app and actually check out for a pair. So that's really what we try to do, is help everyone out as much as we could. And again, stay tuned for everything we offer down below. The daily undermarket deals on the group, don't forget, I've been selling a bunch of these for like 140, 150, or 150, 160. So a lot of people have been making some easy profit on these. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to say. So become a member today, join that waitlist, and stay tuned for the great giveaway we're gonna have. I don't want y'all to miss out on that. So become eligible and join that. So, or stay tuned for our restock waitlist or restock, whatever one. If you join, you'll be able to win this pair. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for all the details on the IG and Twitter. That's where this giveaway will be posted. So share with your friends, do all that, and that's everything I'll have to mention. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video soon. Peace.